Are you all sitting down safely? Make sure you stay like that. I've loaded up the parcels. When we need to deliver a parcel, press the button that matches it. Oh, look! There's Ajay playing with his train set. But something's missing. What can he use to pull the carriages? Well done! Ajay will be so pleased now that he has his train. Here's Father Alf Thompson at Thompson Ground. He's counting his livestock. I'm waiting for a very important delivery. Well done. Looks like PC Selby has had to close the road.
Really? What's going on here?
Never mind, we'll just have to take another route. These parcels must be delivered. Ted Glenn is fixing my special delivery service helicopter. Looks like he needs something to help him finish the job. I wonder what it is. Great job, Ted. Get on with the repairs now. It's art class today at the school, but Mira and Charlie seem to be missing something to paint with. Thanks to you, Mira and Charlie can do their painting. Just one more to go now. Here's Mrs. Goggins sorting out the Greendale mail. She's just waiting for one last letter. Mrs. Goggins has got her letter. It's art class today at the school, but Mira and Charlie seem to be missing something to paint with.
There it is, look. Look.